Hi everyone, in front of me I've got BLACKVIEW Tab 12 and let me share with you how to change video resolution on this device. So first of all, let's open the camera app. And right here we have to switch to the video one. So let's tap on the video. If you can see the red color inside the shutter button, it means that for sure you're on the video mode. Now we can take a look at this option bar at the top, and right in the middle we've got the video resolution. So let's tap on it, and as you can see we've got two different options from which we can choose only. So currently we've got 720p option applied. This option is highlighted in this orangish color. So all we can do here is to change to 480p. As you can see, after tapping on it, it will immediately be applied. It will be visible here, so you can always check which one you've got set. What is more, if it is right here, your device will record the videos in chosen resolution. So basically that's all. This is how to change video resolution in your BLACKVIEW Tab 12. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.